Namaste, Jai Shri Ram. Today I am going to tell you about Pendulum or Dowsing Reiki course. You can learn it after doing level 2 Reiki course. Let's understand what will you learn in this course and its benefits. Here is what you will learn in Dowsing with Pendulum Reiki. Learning mirroring of aura by L-shaped rods, learning scanning of chakras by long Dowsier, learning pendulum healing for doing self-Reiki, learning pendulum healing for doing Reiki for others, learning to do paper grid Reiki healing with pendulum, answering questions by Reiki with pendulum, searching for lost things or unknown prayer with pendulum.